We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello guys, I am Komal Dhurelia. In previous lecture we studied about construction and working of electrical iron. In this lecture we studied about construction and working of electrical toaster. Electrical toaster. The function of electrical toaster is to bake the bread slice. The electrical toaster work on the heating principle. When the current I flow from the heating element for a specified period T, then the I square RT heat is produced in it. This heat will be transferred to the bread slice. So the bread slices are baked. Types of electrical toaster. There are 2 types of electrical toaster. First one is a simple toaster and second one is a automatic toaster. Simple toaster. There is no provision for controlling or regulating temperature. It requires switching off manually when the bread slices are baked completely, otherwise the bread burns. The heating element is made from nichrome wire. In bread slice shape, it is mounted on the porcelain bushing. It consists of 2 pilot lamps, one green, another red. When the switching is on, the green lamp glow. It's continuously glow until the bread slices are baked completely. When the bread slices are completely baked, the green lamp will be off and the red lamp will be on. It indicates the switch off the supply, otherwise the bread burns out. આ જે ટોસ્ટર છે એમાં કોઈ પણ જાતનું કંટ્રોલિંગ કે રેગ્યુલેટિંગ ટેમ્પરેચર હોતું નથી. જ્યારે તમે સપ્લાયને ઓન કરો છો ત્યારે ગ્રીન લાઇટ ઓન થશે. એ ત્યાં સુધી ઓન રહેશે કે જ્યાં સુધી તમારી બ્રેડ સ્લાઇસ છે કમ્પ્લીટલી બેક થતી નથી. જ્યારે તમારી બ્રેડ સ્લાઇસ બેક થઈ જાય છે ત્યારે ગ્રીન લેમ્પ ઓફ થાય છે અને રેડ લેમ્પ ઓન થાય છે. ત્યાર પછી તમારે મેઇન સપ્લાયને ઓફ કરી દેવાનો છે. જો એવું કરવામાં નહીં આવશે તો બ્રેડ તમારી બંધ થશે. Second type, automatic toaster. The construction of automatic toaster is similar to the simple toaster. In addition, with extra thermostat switch, it is connected in series with the heating element. It operates automatically when temperature exceeds its set value. It means it controls the temperature and protects the bread slice from burn. It consists of 2 strips, fixed strip and bimetallic strip. Fixed strip, it is metal having a fixed contact. It is generally in contact with movable contact of bimetallic strip. Bimetallic strip, it is made from 2 different metal having a different temperature coefficient like brass and iron. It consists of movable contact. When the temperature exceeds the set value, bimetallic strip bend due to the different temperature coefficient. So the contact will be open and the electrical toaster will be off. Fault and their causes in electrical toaster. Types of fault. First, toaster doesn't heat. Causes: power off, open electrical cord, faulty thermostat, fuse blown, heating element open. Second fault, bread slices are burnt. Improper setting of thermostat, faulty thermostat. Third, fuse blown out when switch on. Earth fault, electrical cord shorted, heating element is shorted at terminals. Fourth, shock when touching to body. Open earth wire,